Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are trying to subscribe to Claude or upgrade your plan in 2026 and you see the payment failed error, don't worry. This is a common issue and usually fixed or easy to fix. Okay, so often caused by bank restrictions, sometimes caused by billing mismatches, and rarely caused by platform errors. In this guide I will show you step by step how to fix the payments failed error in Claude cleanly, correctly, and safely. So first thing first, check your card information. So this is crucial. Verify your card number, your expiration dates, CVV code, card holder name. Even one wrong digit causes failure. Okay, so confirm billing address matches your bank. So make sure address matches your bank records, postal code is correct, country matches card issuing country. So billing mismatch is one of the most common causes. You also check available balance or limits, so verify enough funds in your account. Online payments limits are not exceeded. International payments is enabled. So some banks block recurring subscriptions automatically. Also contact your bank. So this is very important to ask your bank, is international payments enabled? Are online subscriptions allowed? Was this transaction blocked? Many Moroccan or many people in the world and international banks block AI subscriptions by default. So try a different payments method. So if available, try another debit or credit cards, virtual card, different banks. So payment success often depends on card provider. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.